morning. Here I am, Nam Cat Island in Lan Hat Bay in Vietnam. And it's been a tiring night. Didn't get that much sleep, unfortunately. I had some interesting interruptions overnight. Anyway, we are off again today traveling. We are getting from here back to Halong Bay, and then back to Halong City, and then back to Hanoi, and then back to, sorry, a new place. We're going up to Sapa in northern Vietnam in the mountains. So today is all about the journey. Hello, bye bye. One thing that you learn in Vietnam is be careful what you're sold, because often it doesn't actually bear any resemblance to what it is that you were told to have. This is the sleep bus. It's not a great deal of room, eh, Joe?
No. It's snug, even if you're short.
And I can't straighten my legs. Not much better up top either.